Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply in curly clip-ins. This is such an easy and quick hairstyle. I absolutely love it. It took me no more than 40 minutes and I'm going to show you guys how to get this bomb look. So today's video is sponsored by CutiePieTresses. That is where I got the bundles from. This hair is to die for. I am wearing the coily clip-ins and I have in their deluxe set. The deluxe set comes with 2 10-inch wefts with 5 clips, 2 9-inch wefts with 4 clips, 2 7-inch wefts with 3 clips, 2 4-inch wefts with 2 clips, and 2 3-inch wefts with 2 clips as well. So this is able to cover my entire head. So if you guys want to do a full head of clip-ins, you definitely should get the deluxe set versus the standard set, which is probably good for like a half up, half down. So what I'm doing so far is I'm just looking at the texture and how it matches my hair, which it matches it really, really well. So far so good. I'm just going to be parting my hair. I'm terrible at parting, but I'm going to show you guys how you guys could part your hair if you guys are good at parting. Like I said, I suck. So yeah, I'm just clipping the top of my hair off and then I'm going to work towards the bottom. So the first thing you're going to do after parting your hair, as y'all can see, I can't part for anything to save my life. The first thing you're going to want to do is moisturize the hair at the bottom. This is great on freshly washed hair. I definitely recommend you guys using clip-ins on freshly washed hair and sectioning off your actual hair. Some people like to clip up all their hair, but I definitely recommend sectioning off your hair. But yes, so I use my typical wash and go routine. If you guys want to see that, I will leave it linked right here so y'all can look at it and check out my wash go routine. So I'm not going to show you the step-by-step process, but once I do that and my curls are defined, I'm going to add in the clip-in to my hair. So once the clip-in is added, it's really simple. It goes straight into your hair. I'm just going to do the rest of my hair. It's the same exact steps, super easy. Please remember to also leave some leave out, like your real hair that's out. I did not do that until like I think about the middle of my hair because I didn't know if I was going to do a side or a middle part, but I ended up doing a middle part, as y'all will see. But I'm just doing the same exact steps that I did to the bottom of my hair, and I'm just going to keep on adding in the clip-ins, and I'm going to start with the longer clip-ins and then work my way up to the shorter ones. And yeah. So start off by moisturizing your hair. Make sure your hair is well loved and moisturized underneath, and also add in the clip-ins. Clip-ins are really good for just adding in length and body to your hair. I really love clip-ins. I've never used clip-ins before using CutiePieTresses, and it was a wonderful experience. The only thing I will say is I probably would use the curly clip-in instead of the coily clip-in because my hair is a little bit more of a curlier texture, and I felt like this texture was a little bit coarser than mine, or it just didn't really match my hair texture as well. But for the most part, it did. Like once I tied in the hair, it was perfect. And what I'm doing here is I'm basically just adding in more moisture to the hair, like my real hair, because I wanted it to blend in with the coily hair a little bit better. So I'm just finding like my real hair underneath the clip-ins, and I'm just adding in a little bit more moisture to make sure that the curls are extra defined and they look really, really good. So now I'm going to speed this up. Y'all basically know what to do now. Just keep adding in those clip-ins. Start with the longer clip-ins, then work your way up to the shorter clip-ins as you get to the top of your head. And that's what I'm continuously doing. As you guys could see, I'm now adding in each of the clip-ins to section off my hair. If you guys are good at sectioning, this is going to be great for you. Like I said, I suck at sectioning, so it wasn't the best. Here I am now. I am going to be parting my hair, and I'm doing a middle part. That's what I decided on, like I said earlier. And it looks really, really good. I'm just going to keep out a small section so that it blends well. Like my clip-ins kind of, my real hair covers up the clip-ins. So I'm just going to section this off so I know not to touch that part. And then I'm going to continue on with the rest of my hair. clip-ins, I'm going to be working on my actual hair, and this part is really just to cover up the clip-ins. This part was a little bit difficult for me, mainly because, like I said, my hair didn't really blend well with this coily hair. My hair is more of a curly texture, like a kinky curly texture, so I think that the kinky curly clip-ins would have worked perfectly for me. But I was just skeptical about that, especially since I don't wear my hair curly too much. I just started doing it more often when I actually like do my curls and like make them look really nice and defined. My hair is definitely curly, so it is easier for me to do like a kinky curly. I was thinking coily because, you know, I am like a 4A, 4B type of hair type. But yeah, next time I know for sure to get kinky curly, which they do have on their website as well. So if you guys have like a 4A, 4B texture, I definitely would recommend for you guys to do the kinky curly, even though on the website this hair texture is said to be 3C to 4A. But I definitely would say just get the kinky curly if your hair is similar to my texture. And I'm just going to be doing the same exact process as I did with my wash and go with like the hair underneath the clip-ins. I'm doing the same exact thing, except I'm putting a little bit more love and work into it so that it is super defined and it looks really good and it blends in with the hair well. And it also takes a lot of playing with, like you kind of figure out what looks good, what doesn't look good. Yeah, just play with the hair a little bit because I was a little skeptical about it. I wasn't really liking it that much, but once I figured it out, it looked really good. And now I'm just gonna do some baby hairs, make sure my hair looks cute. Baby hairs on fleek, we love to see it. And I just played with it a little bit, and I ended up using too many baby hairs, and I like redid it completely. And yeah, that is the final look. I have a coupon code available for you guys. It'll be in the description box if you guys want to get a percentage off of your first CutiePieTresses order. This is how the hair turned out. It looks so good. I really loved it. The only thing is that the CutiePieTresses hair is like a little bit lighter than my real hair. My hair is like a little bit darker, so y'all could see it a little bit. I definitely could see it more in person, but yes, I absolutely loved it. And like I said, you guys can wear this hairstyle in various styles. You guys could do middle part, side part, half of half down, even in a little ponytail or something. So I really recommend you guys purchase these CutiePieTresses clip-ins, whether you want kinky curly, coily curly, or any other type of curls that you may possibly want. And they also have various things. They have U-part wigs, regular wigs, everything's up there, extensions. You guys want it, you guys got it on CutiePieTresses. So if you guys want to check them out, the link is in the description box. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below how you guys like clip-ins. If you guys have ever used clip-ins, please let me know. Let's get the discussion popping in the comments. And I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.